Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special boots here. These are steel toe boots by DIY Sophie. These are safety shoes for the summertime. They're lightweight and waterproof. They're steel cap shoes, work safety shoes, which are not slippable. They are on the market from 35 up to 47 in size. It comes with a protection level SPLEN ISO 20345. That means the steel cap shoe meets the European standards. It offers 200 dual impact protection and protects the toes from hazards in workplace. And European standard Kevlar. This is the midsole with a penetration resistance of 1200 Newton for safe working. Extremely wear-resistant rubber sole with a non-slip profiling. This keeps safe even on construction sites and in rugged terrain. The lightweight mesh upper ensures a dry foot climate even after long days of work and offers a high wearing comfort. That is reminiscent of sneakers. This is the perfect companion for work, construction, workshop, warehouse, kitchen, and leisure. Always reliable protection. Safety boots, steel cap and boots, steel toe caps, or safety shoes are a durable boot that has a protective reinforcement in the toe, which protects the foot from falling objects or compressions. Safety shoes are effective in keeping the feet of industrial workers safe from sharp and heavy objects while working in the factories. Safety footwear now comes in many styles, and here it comes with a nice style, as you can see. They looks like sport shoes, I think. And of course, the history behind that is an early approach to safety shoes is the suggestion of several late medieval authors of military manuals, such as Conrad Kaiser, 1366, in his Bellefortes, suggesting iron soles for protection against foot traps and caltrops in their manuscripts. So you see, a long time ago, steel toe boots are designed too. And this here comes to you for everyday working place stuff. Anti-smashing. These are safety, most valuable. One pair of shoes is around about 367 grams or something else. This is less than the Piranha bananas. And we have an anti-prick Kevlar insole. We get a lot of Newton puncture resistance without or sacrifice flexibility and comfort. Lightness meets breathability. And we are there to meet our safety skill with such a steel toe boot by DIY SOFY work shoes for men, women, and so on. I wear this in a size of 46 and it works really good. They're non-slippable and nice to wear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun zun!